Welcome back to Rami's Bar, the show that teaches you how to do drinks at home like we're doing. Today we're going to be doing something called ranch water. It's a very easy drink. It's tequila, lime juice, and Topochico. It's all combined together. It's a very good drink for the summer times out there. Today is 80 degrees out there. It's not Texas hot where it's famous, but it's hot enough for me to have this drink tonight. And today we're going to be doing it two styles, Blanco Tequila and Reposado Tequila. Both tequilas are Termana Tequila, one of my favorite tequilas out there. Shout out to Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. And we're going to see which one wins or which one tastes better at the end of this episode. So stick around. Let's do this. So since we're doing the same drink two different ways by changing only one ingredient, I'm going to try my best to mix both at the same time so that taste does not differ or one is not watered down or anything like that. So let's hope I don't spill. So like I said, we're going to start by pouring in our favorite tequila out there. One's Blanco, one's Reposado. On the right side, we're going to do the Reposado ranch water. On the left side, we're going to do the Blanco ranch water. Let's see how this goes. So we're going to start by pouring in 2 ounces of your favorite tequila. That's worth a shot, isn't it? Dwayne, it's for you. And then you're going to do the same thing with the Blanco tequila. This drink is very easy and very simple that it doesn't even need a mixer or a shaker or anything. You just mix it right into your glass right there and then. So now we're going to need our lime juice. And for the lime juice, I'm going to have half a lime to each of the drinks. Now, since this drink is so simple and so easy, I ask you just to, test it out. Change around the ingredients, add more tequila, do less tequila, add more lime juice, do less lime juice. It's up to you. So here goes nothing. So we're going to add half a lime for each of these drinks. And now you're going to add your ice. There's going to be a lot of spilling. That's fine. I'm okay with that. So we're doing it at home. Who cares? Now, I did say at the beginning of the video that it requires Topochico, but I could not get Topochico easily here in Chicago. Instead, I'm using Perrier. It's a French carbonated water, which does the exact same trick. So what we're going to do is just top off both our drinks with that. Gonna make sure that they're on the same level. Ooh. And for garnish, we're going to need to add lime wheel for each of these drinks. Now that we have both drinks ready, we're going to do the tasting. I'm going to start with the Blanco Tequila ranch water. Very light, very citrusy. Definitely, we put in 2 ounces of the Blanco Tequila, so you definitely taste the tequila in there. You can drop that measurement down, but it's very light, very refreshing, for sure, very refreshing. I can see why people in Texas love this ranch water drink. Let's test out the Reposado Tequila. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, this is it. I'm out of words. I mean, refreshing tequila. It's oak flavor, vanilla flavor. It just I love it. I absolutely love this. I'm definitely a Scotch fan, and Reposado has this Reposado Termana at least has that oak finish in it, and it's a home run for me. Thank you for watching today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you like videos like this one. And since it's a very easy drink, so I'm expecting a lot of people trying it, let me know which one you'd prefer, the Reposado style tequila or the Blanco style tequila down in the comments below. Cheers. Oh my God, this is it. Yeah.